What's going on, everybody? This is Jackie's graphic design, and today I'm going to show you how to create a 4-point garbage mat. And what this is going to do is going to add a little bit more depth, a little bit more realistic feel to the characters you create. You're going to be able to clone yourself, and it's going to add a little bit more story and character development to your characters. So seeing your characters actually together brings a sense of realness to the whole entire situation. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do this, how to clone yourself. It's Jackie Terry's graphic design, and let's get right to it, baby. What we're first gonna do, we're gonna click on one of the videos I already pre-recorded. And what you want to do to create this scene is you want to act out the entire scene. And you want to imagine yourself on the other side. So right now I'm acting out the scene and I imagine myself on the left. So I'm talking to my other self. And of course I'm acting out. I'm eating the hot chips and just kind of acting out. The main goal is to act out that entire scene while looking over to the left, because this is where your clone is going to be at. He's going to be right over to that left. So pretty much you want to just act out the entire scene. And I'll show you a demonstration of the other clone. And pretty much I'm looking over to the right now. So I'm pretty much acting out that scene as well as the other clone you will see in the special effect. So now, since you guys understand the whole concept, what you want to do now is you want to drag your file over to Adobe Premiere. So I'll drag this file over to Adobe Premiere. You want to make sure it's on Expert first. And we want to transport this file over to Video 1. And as you'll see, we'll drag this cursor right here and immediately get to the point where he actually starts looking at the other character. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. He's looking to the right. Once again, we'll use our scissor tool to delete this and bring it all the way forward to the beginning of the clip. Okay, perfect. Now he's interacting with the clone character I'm about to drag in. So now what you want to do now is bring in your other clip, but you want to place it on top of video 1. So you want to place the other clip on video 2, which will be the clone that you are going to be using to create the clone technique. What you want to do, you want to drag your other clip right here and bring it on top of video 1. Very important. So now pretty much the same concept. I'm going to drag it over to where he's actually interacting with the character. That's a pretty good spot. We want to delete very beginning. Okay, perfect. We'll let that play and see how it looks. Okay, perfect. Now both of the scenes are in place. We'll also cut out this little part right here so we can get the clips even with each other. So we'll delete this. Okay, perfect. So now that we got the clips on top of each other, we're going to go over to our special effects tool. We're going to go to search. And to create this effect, you guys, you're going to use, it's going to be called a 4-point garbage mat. And normally you can just type in garbage mat. So what I want to do is I want to drag this special effect on top of video 2. Okay, that's perfect. So now since my clip is on top of video 2, what we simply want to do is we want to take these little circle things, these little cursors, we just want to drag it We want to kind of drag it just like that. And now that brings out the bottom clip. You can actually control this, you guys. You can bring it left or right. You want to control it to the point where both of your clones are in the scene together. So you can actually control this very movement right here. As you see, I'm controlling it to where both subjects are in the video. You can level it up any way you want, doesn't matter. You can make him disappear or you can make him reappear again. So you can pretty much level this out any way you want to, any angle you want to, whatever works. And drag it just like that, kind of even everything out. And we'll simply press play. See how it looks. And there you have it. There you have your clone. So both two subjects are interacting with each other. Looks fairly good. And this is pretty much it. You want to use a 4-point garbage matte to create this effect. Once again, you will need a tripod in order to create this effect. You will need a tripod. One of the things is you don't want the camera to move. It will mess the effect completely up. You want the camera to be perfectly still. And pretty much, once again, like I said, toward the beginning of the video, you want to reenact your scenes, from both characters to make it give it that more of a realistic feeling. And the finished product, when it's all said and done, it should look exactly like this. Very, very useful tool to use, and it's basically just a way of cloning yourself and interacting with yourself or different characters. Once again, this is Jackie's graphic design, and this is how you clone yourself using the 4-point garbage matte. Very useful tool if you're into storytelling and character development, and it actually adds a sense of authenticity to your video, seeing your two main characters with each other. It trip everybody out. It actually look like you have a twin. So once again, this is Jackie's graphic design. There will be more tutorials coming soon. Stay blessed, everybody.